This video shows how to cut a hair sample for toddlers with straight long hair using the small bits method. Supplies for hair collection include a large hair tie, small rubber bands, hair clips, and a full sheet. We recommend using sharp scissors capable of cutting close to the scalp. In this video, the sample collector has already secured the participant's hair in with a large hair tie atop of the head. Notice that the part in the hair is not neat or even. However, it is placed perpendicular to the ear. Using small clips, isolate the segmented hair. This allows the sample collector to cut away only the intended area of hair and keeping stray hairs away from the scissors. This is important when using an uneven part. Next, with a tail comb or any comb with a blunted smooth tip, weave the comb through small bits of hair along the part line in a zigzag pattern. Isolate 3 to 5 small sections of hair, making sure to keep the sections small. It is okay if the small bits are not identical in size or do not fall in a straight line. When working with young children or toddlers, it is important to communicate to them to stay as still as possible. Try asking the child to freeze while the sample is being collected, or ask a parent or another adult to assist in distracting the child if needed. Using a small rubber band, tie off the parted segments of hair. The rubber band should be close to the scalp in order to indicate to lab technicians which end of the hair sample is the scalp end. The small bits method minimizes noticeable patches of missing hair, which can happen if collecting from a single section of the scalp. Gently pull the sample taut before snipping the segmented hair strands. Be cognizant of being gentle when working with young children, and be careful not to pull the sample too hard. Children may move suddenly, and it is crucial to avoid nipping the scalp of the child. While it is necessary to cut the hair as close to the scalp as possible, it is more important to work carefully and slowly to avoid nipping the child. Depending on the number of hormones being assayed, repeat this process on the other side of the part in order to collect 100 to 150 strands of hair, about 4 to 5 times as much as seen here. Working slowly and carefully while being sure to communicate with the child, the sample collector has obtained a neat and tidy sample. The lab technician has isolated the 3 centimeters of hair that are closest to the scalp and weighs the sample precisely. The sample collector obtained 32 milligrams of hair. This is enough to assay 1 hormone and check for accuracy.